Need help connecting your AirPods to your Apple devices? I can help. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. Did you know that your AirPods are cross-compatible with your iPhone and iPad? Follow along and I'm going to show you how to set up your AirPods so that they work on both of them. Before we start, make sure that your AirPods are charged because they won't be able to connect to anything if they don't have the juice. Open up your iPhone and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Bluetooth, then next to where it says Bluetooth, make sure to toggle it on. Next, let's go to your iPhone's home screen and open up your AirPods case. Now leave the AirPods in the charging case and then hold it next to your iPhone. At this point, a setup animation will show up on your iPhone screen. Click Connect and you should be ready to listen. Now let's move on to your iPad. Open up your iPad and go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down to Bluetooth and tap the button on the right once so that it turns green. Keep your iPad open to this screen and take out your AirPods. From here, a setup animation will appear on your iPad. Tap Connect, then tap Done. Your AirPods should appear under the list of available devices in your Bluetooth settings on the iPad. Now tap your AirPods and there you go. More smart tips like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Sign up for free at my site, type in CyberGuy.com and then hit the red button.